wonderful day. I just want to share you one of my employer's favorite soup that's called this chicken feet soup with mokwa. Mokwa is Chinese of papaya. But if you're gonna start, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss anything. So, but in this video, I'm not gonna talk while I'm cooking, okay? But I'm just only share you a simple procedure. It's so easy. Thank you guys. See you.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm